Hello guys, this is Richa here. Good morning to all of you. Have a great morning to you all, and such a beautiful day, and really very fantastic feeling I have. How are you all? I hope you will be fine by God's feeling. So I just tell you one thing so that you also can think about you, how much you are lucky. If you are thinking that you are not lucky, or like what kind of opportunities you are getting, that opportunity those not for you. Why are you thinking like that? Just try to go with the flow, and after that you also can say that, oh my God, such a beautiful human beings you are. For that things, if you will get to know all things, what happened, what did you do, what will you do, you will have to subscribe my channel, like, share everything. But if you just see that message is not good, so definitely don't do that, just dislike. But if you are thinking by my messages, if you can change your life mentality, if you can be happy, please don't wait, and please just like, subscribe, share everything. Just try to spread my messages which I'm sharing with you all. Okay, so don't waste the time, and time is really precious. I want to come on that topic and points. Okay, so point is a making of videos, some kind of really specific reasons today which I'm sharing with you. Okay, so for that things I'm requesting to everyone, not requesting, it's up to you. Okay, but yeah, I want only and only one thing. If you want to see my messages, please just try to stay till end, because if you will see full video, definitely you also can get all content, and definitely after that you also can change your mentality, because I also change my mentality after this message. Okay, and even I also change my thinking process as well after this video. So let's get started. This thing is actually I just had heard by the Bill Gates. Okay, once and one day what happened, Bill Gates was on the stage, and Bill Gates was giving the interview. An interviewer asking the questions to Bill Gates. Bill Gates, could you please tell to us what is the secrets about you? What is the secrets that you are successful? Could you please share with us your mantra? And he's saying, definitely, I will tell you. First of all, he took a really very calm, peaceful, on the forehead. He also took a few second breath, and after that he said, definitely I will reply to that questions, but firstly, whatever I'm doing, please just try to accept. And interview was shocked, and but he's so much excited to listen this answer, because he also want to be successful, and that's why he also asked the questions to Bill Gates. What happened? Bill Gates stand from the chair, and he also took a check from his pocket, and he was saying to interviewer, just accept this check. This check is empty. Okay, whatever you want money, you just fulfill on this check, and you just take it. You just accept from my side as a gift, as a bumper. And interviewer was shocked. Oh my God, this is a check is empty and you are giving to me? And he's saying, no sir, I cannot accept your check. I have really great job, and I'm satisfied with my profession. I'm satisfied with my post. Please just try to take it, and I cannot accept your check. But I'm so much glad to meet you that you are giving to me check. So much lucky. And I can say that I'm really feeling proud on myself that you are actually offering to me empty check. He returned the check. After that, Bill Gates is smiling and Bill Gates is laughing, and his laughing no one can understand. But this is a really important part of this video. Why? Because of this is message that interviewer understood. Oh my God, what is the value of opportunity? Bill Gates said, now time come back. What is the secrets behind my success? He's saying, I'm so much curious. He's saying again and again, I'm so much curious, sir. Please go ahead. What is the secrets behind your success? He's saying, I never missed any opportunity. Whenever I just get any opportunity, I always grab. This is the mantra of behind my successful. He's shocked. What is the meaning? He's saying, Bill Gates saying, when I offered you empty check, you also could write whatever you want, any number. You also can write lakh, crore, billion, billionaire, any amount you also can fulfill, and I also can give you that money. But you didn't mention money on the check because that time you were thinking that you are on the stage and everyone looking to you, and that's why everyone will judge you. Maybe, or your post and your self-respect will not allowing you that you just accept my check. But right now you are earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever. But by this only one opportunity, if you just write all numbers according to your sufficient, if you just write numbers on the check, you also can be millionaire or billionaire like me. Within few seconds you can become. But you missed that crap opportunity, and that's why you are same person like before 10 minutes. But within few seconds you also can be a richest in the world. You had options to be a billionaire if you just write number on the check, but you didn't write even single word on the check, and that's why you're just on the same place. Same here. When I just get any opportunity in my life, I always took a positive. I always think that, oh my God, I just took a opportunity, and that opportunity for me as a grab. I always try to grab those opportunity, and that's why I'm always be positive, and this is a mantra of success. By that message which I learned that you can get many opportunities in the life. Sometimes according to you that opportunity is not good for your reputations. Some opportunities not good for your status. Amazing. You can amazing. Suppose I just give you a simple or really easy example. If I talk about the beginners in English speaking, okay, what happened when they get chance to speak in English in front of good speaker or native speaker, they trying to judge themselves. No, I cannot speak in English because of I'm not good at speaking, but those are really amazing speaker, and that's why that beginner missed the opportunity, that beginner also can get the opportunity to speak in front of them. And by that things, after one of speaking, that person also can boost your confidence, and that person also can think, lot of people also can admire to that person, or maybe that person also, after listening to that person, lot of person also saying that such a beautiful person you are really very good at speaking, you also can correct yourself on this era, or you are really very rich on this era. Just try to maintain your rich part, just try to maintain. And when you are, when where you are lacking, just try to polish yourself. This topic share with me Preetham sir. Thank you so much Preetham sir, thank you. So till then, bye. If you just learned something, please just try to apply these things in you, in every factor. If you are learning, if you are speaking, if you are climbing on the mountain, if you are doing anything, just try to think that this is, that was actually, that can be opportunity for you. Try to accept and jump it. Your life will be changed. And a lot of native speaker admire to me, oh my god, such a beautiful courage you have, you are really really good at speaking, you are actually, you are not good at speaking, but you are really very good confidence as well, and because of your confidence you are speaking really good. So till then, bye, and definitely I will come with new topic. Thank you so much and have a great good day.